at passive profit automated funnels and list building role into one super system. It was quite amazing that today the passive profit funnel is an all-inclusive system for building subscriber lists and making affiliate commissions in a wide range of trends and niches. So if you are into affiliate marketing in any business you are into list building. But the truth is that any business you are doing on the internet and you are not building lists, then you are missing a lot of money. You are leaving a lot of money on the table. So today it comes loaded with a cloud-based software, multiple done for your funnels, and a database of stunning landing pages and a premium lead magnet, plus step-by-step training that is simple to follow. So let's dive in immediately and look at what the super profit funnel is all about. But in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'll be dropping a video like this and we're going to deep dive into a lot of stuff like this in the frequent videos. So the first feature of this applications is that play and plug and play software for game-changing commissions, recurring income, and a constantly growing email list. Zero guesswork with multiple fully automated done for you funnels that build your list and generate commissions. So actually what that means is that if you're new to affiliate marketing, you're new to the business, any business you're promoting, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're a vendor, the plug and profit, the auto profit funnel is here for you. It's going to help you do a lot of stuff and you're going to make money on the go. Infinitely scalable, make custom funnels with a database of premium lead magnet and landing page, zero overhead cost, software template, product and hosting all included. So now the cool amazing thing is that there is zero overhead cost. You don't need to pay for maintaining the software. It's just a one-time fee. Now product and hosting all included. You don't need to look for a hosting provider. Everything is hosted on cloud-based for you. The only thing you need is to impute your product, plug and play a simple system GFY done for you funnels, ready straight out of the box to make your commissions and build your list at the same time. Beginner friendly, that's amazing. You don't need to have experience, you don't need to have done the marketing before. Everything is set for you on the go. Huge commission and recurring income potential. Made of affiliate of a pays 100 United States dollar per sale plus monthly payout. Say 1,000 United States dollar on page builders, and hosting will supply everything for you for your pages. So you don't need to look for ClickFunnels, you don't need to look for builder, you don't need to look for infinite pages. No, you don't. Everything is included. You don't need to go to group pages because everything is included here for you. So super simple 3-step formula. So I'm going to deep dive into the simple formula I'm going to use to get this funnel. First is that pick one of the done for you mini funnels or customize your own with the app. Jumpstart your traffic with the free method included. Everything traffic sources are included with code traffic. Step 3 is watch hands-free commissions and new clubs that by hit your account. The raw passive profit funnel, we experience product launcher and know how to convert, in addition to putting together fantastic product and software or customers with over 21 bestseller on WordPress, ClickBonks, so we bring a lot of commissions. So it's very cool, amazing. So you're gonna get everything in this profit funnels and then passive profit funnel. It's called passive because your money keeps coming after you finish building the business. So guys, I think that is the major features of this passive profit funnels. You're gonna make a lot of money with the system. So guys, if you're new to the my channel, consider subscribing. It's been Samuel Benson here, and I've been dropping a frequent video like this, but I'm gonna deep dive a lot of stuff. So what you usually do now is you click in the link in the description of this video and click on get the app now, and you get the super passive profit funnels that will help you set your business and make money on the go.